In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify authentication code. This is an essential step if you're setting up a new Shopify store or if you're troubleshooting access issues. So, let's dive right in and make this as easy as possible for you. First, ensure you're logged into your Shopify account. If you're not already signed in, open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Shopify homepage, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your Shopify dashboard, which is your command center for managing your store. Now, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, locate and click on the Settings tab. It's generally found at the bottom of the list, easily recognizable by the gear icon. This tab is where you'll find all the critical settings related to your store. When you click on it, a new page will open with a host of options. Next, you'll want to find the Users and Permissions section within the settings. This is the part where you'll manage who has access to your store and what permissions they have. Selecting this option will take you to a page that lists everyone who currently has access to your store, including apps and collaborators. Here, look for the section that says Two-Step Authentication. This is crucial because two-step authentication helps secure your store by requiring a second form of identification when logging in. When you find it, click on it to open the settings. Now, you'll see an option to either enable or manage two-step authentication. If you haven't set it up before, you'll need to click Set up two-step authentication. This process is quick and straightforward. You'll typically be prompted to make a choice between receiving your authentication code through SMS, an authenticator app, or via email. Choose the option that you find most convenient. If you're using an authenticator app, like Google Authenticator, you'll see a QR code on your screen. Open the app on your phone and scan this QR code. The app will then generate a 6-digit authentication code. Enter this code in the field provided on your Shopify settings page and click Confirm. Alternatively, if you've chosen to receive the code via SMS or email, you'll need to check your messages or inbox, respectively, for a 6-digit code. Once you have this code, enter it into the appropriate field on your Shopify settings page and confirm the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Shopify authentication code. This is an extra layer of security that helps ensure your store remains protected from unauthorized access. If ever needed, you can change your preferences or disable this setup by returning to the same settings page. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to ensure all your details are secure by regularly updating your security preferences. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips for managing your Shopify store.